In today's modern world, we're surrounded by electromagnetic frequencies, EMFs and E-smog, penetrating our lives, affecting our bodies at a cellular level. These unseen forces disrupt our body's natural rhythms, altering the very essence of our being. Our cells, the building blocks of life, are influenced, creating an imbalance within our bioenergetic field. Our body's harmony relies on this bioenergetic field, a delicate network of over 70 trillion cells, each with its unique electromagnetic rhythm. When this balance is disturbed, our well-being suffers. Enter the solution, AFT Quantum Energy Pendants. Harnessing the power of quantum technology, these pendants resonate at frequencies that restore and harmonize our body's energy field. Crafted with precision, these pendants work to counteract the disruptive effects of harmful radiations, promoting balance within the body's energy. These pendants are not just accessories, they are crafted on the principle of quantum resonance. Filled with a blend of natural minerals and crystals, they're embedded with AFT Quantum Resonance technology. These pendants undergo an energizing process in a special vacuum chamber for 21 days. This process enables them to resonate at zero-point resonance, which helps to rejuvenate our subtle energy, maintain balance, and protect us from E-smog, oxidative stress, and pollution. Wearing these stylish and powerful pendants help in many ways. They assist in harmonizing your mental, emotional, and physical quantum, restoring balance within. Supporting and strengthening your biofield, these pendants act as a shield against the disruptions caused by EMF, E-smog, and oxidative stress. Clearing energy blockages and imbalances, they pave the way for increased vitality, strength, flexibility, and energy levels. Furthermore, they support the thymus gland, bolstering the immune system and maintaining hormonal balance. Reducing stress levels, fostering a positive mindset, and nurturing balanced emotions are also among their remarkable benefits. Moreover, these pendants facilitate improved sleep quality, aiding in relaxation and promoting a more restful night's sleep. They enhance mental focus and clarity, assisting in concentration and cognitive performance. Step into a world of restored balance and vitality. Explore the transformative effects of AFT Quantum Energy Pendants.